Yes. Who's the buddy? This is my octopus baby. Yeah. He's my baby. Yes, he is. Who's my baby? Who's my baby? Who's my baby? This is how big he is to my hand. Look at him. He just burrows himself in the ground. He is so adorable, isn't he, guys? Oh, look at him. He's just so cute. He's so cute. Ah, he's so adorable. And there's a fish. I got it for him. Pancakes.